You can see the fifth to latest video has 5.8 million views. That one video skyrocketed Puff Count to the #1 app and the #1 position in the lifestyle charts and number 30
Yeah.
on the overall app store like a couple days ago. You get started right here by yourself.
Just with the phone.
You just have to jump on it. TikTok is crazy because it's a playground, right? You can post as
Yeah.
many times as you want, and you never really know what's going to go viral unless you have like a strategy behind it. So I started posting on TikTok 3 years ago to promote Puff Count, right? I launched Puff Count and I thought it was the coolest app ever, but no one cared. I tried doing paid ads, I tried doing paid influencer marketing, but I was not seeing any sort of ROI there. It was way too expensive. So I knew I had to tap into organic channels, and TikTok just so happened to be kind of on the rise at this time. So I started posting TikToks. I think I posted one TikTok, it flopped. My second TikTok got 80,000 views
Wow.
and it pushed like 3,000 downloads to the app store. So immediately I knew, I had struck something with TikTok, and this product connected with the TikTok audience. So built Puff Count for 2 years on TikTok, grew it to 90,000 followers, over 55 million views. We pushed just under 300,000 downloads, all organic, $0 in ad spend. You can see the fifth to latest video has 5.8 million views. I posted that about a week ago. That one video skyrocketed Puff Count to the #1 app and the #1 position in the lifestyle charts and number 30
Yeah.
on the overall app store like a couple days ago. If you look at all my other videos, they're literally it's just me in my apartment coming up with ideas. And I think the
Mm,
best way to get started on TikTok is #1 to just start creating. Create what you think is cool, talk about your product, show your product, but also the most important thing to get started on TikTok is market research. What you can do on
mm,
TikTok is you can type in any keyword in the search bar up top. So like for me, I search quit vaping, and then you can sort the videos by most liked of all time, and it'll show you the most liked
mm,
TikToks of all time surrounding quitting vaping, right? And what I did was I took the 20 to 50 most popular videos on TikTok about quitting nicotine or quitting vaping. I put them in a spreadsheet, analyzed them, saw what they were doing well, saw what they're doing poorly, and then almost recreated them, but used them as inspiration to create my content. Because if something's already working, if something's already going viral, use those videos as inspiration. It's market research.
Is there anything we can do from a tag perspective, or is that even important? Is it just the type of video?
I think hashtags are really important. The hashtags tell the algorithm kind of what audience you're going for, right? Like putting a hashtag
Mm,
on your videos isn't going to make it go viral. It will help it reach the audience that your content is intended for. But another thing that hashtags will do is if you get a mega viral video and you use hashtags in it, your video will rank #1, #2, #3 for that hashtag, and you'll get a ton of organic traffic from TikTok, from people either searching up that hashtag or liking videos with that hashtag. Your video will just pop up. So TikTok has almost become like this new form of SEO, and videos that I posted
mm.
years ago that still rank #1 in those hashtags still get views to this day. I think everyone should be on TikTok no matter what product you have. Every audience is on TikTok. Every audience lives on TikTok.
I agree.
And not only that, the TikTok video format is the standard across all social medias right now: Twitter, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest. So when you're making TikTok content, save that video and post it across all 5 or 6 other platforms, right? And then you're getting the most
Mm,
bang for your buck. Yeah, I
yeah.
guess like my just closing thing here is when you're building TikTok content, like you're building out your ad library too. If the TikTok content does well
Mhm.
organically and gets millions of views organically, you can bet that it's going to do well on paid. So you can spend smarter on TikTok too. Like I said, it's a playground, it's a testing ground for your content ideas, for your paid ads. It's just somewhere you need to be no matter what type of business you're running.